specific credit because the musical album, I think, has come out so beautifully. Thanks.
It was a lovely performance. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Okay. हंसो 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 अभी भी हंसाओगे मेरे को भी हंसाओगे. So I would like to say that you be all ready to watch this film from 21st of November onwards. As you all know that this film is young, funny and very quirky. And let's enjoy it, and lovely music by Sachin Jigar. Thank you. All the very best to our director duo, Raj and Krishna DK, and of course, Mr. Saif Ali Khan, Dinu, and the entire team of Eros and Illuminati. Thank you.
I want to call the soul of this film, and that is Saif. ये जो आपकी नवाबी अंदाज हैं, जो फिर कॉमेडी अंदाज में ढल जाते हैं, इसमें क्या खास है जरा बताएंगे?
इसमें खास कुछ नहीं, इसमें खास जो राज और डीके के डायलॉग्स हैं, और I'm missing, what is the other lady's name? Hussain and Sita, and they've contributed. हम लोगों ने साथ में Go Goa Gone बनाई थी, और मुझे उनके डायलॉग्स बहुत अच्छे लगे, fresh लगे. I think they're going to be wonderful directors. They've already been good directors, but I think they're going to be very rich and successful.
Okay, I want to ask you. There is something about you and hitchhiking. दिल चाहता है maybe वो ट्रक में वापस आना, मतलब ये आपके साथ जो लाइफ में tragedy होती है.
It never goes well.
Has it ever happened in a real life scenario? Ever?
No.
And you still pay it to perfection, I say, yeah?
Yes. A lot of cinema is imagination. I've never actually hitchhiked. I think I'll be too scared. I think it's very dangerous to hitchhike. No? A little bit.
लेकिन दीनू को बुला के पूछते हैं कि
if Deenu's hitchhiking with me, then I'll feel safer, because
Dinu, please come up on stage and share the magic of happy ending.
Listen, can I say something quickly before he says it? Of course, we make films together and we have a very good time. It's the most special films in my career have been done together at Illuminati. But I want to give tonight Dinu specific credit, because the musical album, I think, has come out so beautifully, thanks to all of you. But also there's one person who has to kind of put the whole thing together in terms of composition, apart from the music directors. And while we were making the film, they were locked up in a hotel room in Michigan and Los Angeles, making it happen. And this is the 5th film that we've done together that's had outstanding music. So it's not luck. So thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think music is something that's been part of all our movies, and it's something that we really enjoy doing. And I think this album is special because it's funny, it's crazy, and it's also got a lot of soul. And that's exactly what Sachin and Jigar are. They're two really crazy Gujarati boys who can put together a very international sounding album. And we've had a lot of fun doing this, and I think that's come across. But also Priya, Priya, the better half of Jigar, and Bure Ali Khan, sorry, Divya. 6 of us.
Why do you call him Bure Ali Khan?
Because he never hits a bad note, so it's kind of sarcastic. So these 4 people have been with us through and through the whole album, so thank you very much. And of course, Amitabh Bhattacharya, who's done so much work with us. So thank you guys, and hopefully you like this
And
one.
Ashish. And Ashish.
Dinu, something makes you look so confident and so robust about this product. What is that? वो एक जो होता है हटके जो उन्होंने use किया है for happy ending, वो क्या चीज होगी अगर आप सबसे बताएं? Said it before. Raj and DK, may we please have you on stage?
Yeah.
This magical duo that Saif is completely in love with, and obviously there is some magic you're spinning here. DK पहले आपसे पूछूं या राज आपसे?
आप पूछिए.
ठीक है, आपसे पूछते हैं.
DK in Hindi, yeah?
DK जिनका नाम actually कृष्णा है, तो जय श्री कृष्णा. आप जरा बताएंगे?
What's your full name?
Go Goa Gone में जैसे एक very edgy film है. Are you playing safe here? कि आपको oh, you are playing safe, sorry, but are you, or is this going to be as edgy as well?
No, I don't know. I don't know if that's entirely true. It's a rom-com, but it's also a comedy, and it's also there's all these connotations. I mean, the title is Happy Ending, जो yes, the straight meaning, everybody knows the straight meaning, but there's also a naughty meaning to it. So the whole movie has a little...
But you know, if I had to ask you, comedy.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry, I mean...
He's been
Yeah.
to Thailand too many times.
But you know, राज कॉमेडी फिल्में चलती हैं और फिर ट्रेजेडी, लव में ट्रेजेडी और दर्द लोग बहुत देखना चाहते हैं और इसमें आप हंसा रहे हैं, तो ये चल पाएगा कि नहीं अगर आप सारा बताएंगे तो? Yeah, because people keep saying दर्द, प्यार में दर्द देखना अच्छा लगता है लोगों
One second,
को.
Sunil will answer.
No, we have a Tanhai song in the film. तो इसीलिए तो है वो, I mean,
To
show
bring the
Tanhai.
dard out.
Yes.
And Sachin Jigar, why don't you join us on stage and bring that out more? क्योंकि आपकी म्यूजिक ने वो काम कर दिखाया है. आप डर रहे हैं आने के लिए?
देख.
And Kalki.